Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today it's a nice day out, so I figured I would get around to installing these battery mounts. These are from Proper Tool Company, not a sponsor, I paid for them. But as you know, I have a lot of 20 volt DeWalt stuff, and my battery storage currently is suboptimal. Maybe I'll throw a picture up on the screen of what suboptimal looks like. So I bought these a couple weeks ago, and they've just been kind of sitting, waiting for me to do something with them. Proper Tool Company is a made in America tool mounting, garage storage solution kind of stuff company. I came across them, thought, you know what, I think I'm gonna give these guys a try. So let's open it up, see what this stuff looks like. There should be, I think, two battery mounts in here. Charger mounts that hold two batteries, and then a tool mount that holds like four tools or something. And then we'll go ahead and install and see how they look. So far, pretty well packaged for safety, so nothing gets broken while tripping. Oh, this is there. All right, so there, those. There's this. It looks like it comes with some instructions. There you go. Put that down there. Comes with a sticker. Proper Tool Company sticker. Throw all that down there. Put that down there. Looks like it comes with the mounting hardware inside the bag. So this one is, I think, 16 inches long. It's just their tool and battery holder, all made of steel. Got their logo etched in it. That's fine. Anyway, you can put 4 batteries on the top, 4 tools on the bottom. Kind of cool. Comes with some mounting hardware. Probably won't use that. Probably use something a little more beefy. And then these are battery charger holders that also hold batteries. So, let's see. Get this out of here. Pretty well wrapped up. There it is. Put that down there. So this comes with 2 sets of stuff, mounting hardware, and then this little clip which you use to hold your charger in place. On here, I think it supports like, I don't know, 5 designs of the charger, but don't quote me on that. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get these. Here's the other one. We're gonna go ahead, open it, and I'm gonna get them mounted on the wall, and then we'll come back and look at how it all looks after it's mounted up. Sort of a before and an after, but a quick video anyway. All right, before I do that, please do like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Feel free to comment. It lets me know people are actually watching this stuff. Anyway, let's go get these on the wall. Okay, here we are back. It's all mounted up. I've got a sort of a bevy of tools mounted into here. There's a dual outlet here, so I can just kind of, it's dedicated 20 amp dual outlet, so I have plenty of plugs right here for my chargers, plus whatever else I want to plug in right there. If I were to go through the bevy of tools, let's see, my only complaint I think would be if you have the really large DeWalt impact, that it goes in here and it'll stay, but the depth on it, if you want it to sit like level here, it doesn't seat all the way back because of the wall. You'd have to bump this out, just put like a, I don't know, 1/4 inch piece of plywood behind it, and then mount it to the wall. Then it would sit far enough out. Or they could just make this teeny bit larger, I don't know, half inch larger, and then this would sit all the way back or far enough back in the thing that you'd be happy. Regular DeWalt tool, like a regular impact or a regular drill, they all fit in there. They fit in there with the clip, the belt clip on there too, so it's not a big deal. That's a cutoff tool. To my surprise, the grinder, this is the DeWalt, which one is this? This one's the 4.5 5-inch grinder by DeWalt. Even with the handle on, I fit right there, so works pretty well. You won't get this guy in there though. If you try to put this in there, it doesn't. The handle's too thick, so I can't go in there. Can't go in there like that. You could stick it in there like this with a socket on it, just hang it there off of the socket, but that's probably bad for that. So, I just have this little thing here. We'll just put it on the wall and it'll be fine like that. No big deal. But otherwise, proper tool company, DeWalt 20V series, charger mounts, and tool mount. They make a bigger tool mount. This one's the 4 tool. They make a 6 tool. I only needed the 4 tool. Not a sponsor, but US made product and pretty nice. I guess we'll get on to a project now. If you have enjoyed this sort of review or whatever you want to call it, and you like the content on the channel, please do like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Feel free to comment. Everybody have a good day. See ya.